Hey everyone, for this video I will show you how to use Otter AI. First, head over to Otter AI, then sign up for a free account. Once you're in, this is your dashboard. You'll see tabs like Home, Direct Messages, and Folders. This is where all your text works and recordings will be. To record an audio live, click on the Record button and it will transcribe your voice in real time. Just allow it. Here, when you speak on this, it will transcribe what you are saying. You can also upload audio or video files. Just click on Import, Browse Files, and choose the audio or video that you want to transcribe. And as you can see, it is now transcribing. Once done, go to Transcript, and it is now processing the conversation or the transcription. And once done, click on it on the lower left corner. Then, as you can see, it transcribed all the file that I uploaded. Once your transcript is ready, you can click on any word and it will jump into that part in the audio. You can also click on the pencil icon. To edit the text, you can fix names, add punctuations, and such. You can also highlight by clicking on the highlighting tool, then click on a word, and as you can see, highlight is now added. You can also add a comment, which is very useful if you're working with someone. You can keep things organized by moving transcripts into folders. Click on Folder and add one and create. Here you can move your transcriptions. Go to it, click on Move, and move it to the folder that you made. And as you can see, it is now in that folder. You can also share this transcript by clicking on the three dots, then click on Share, and just type in the email of the person to whom you want to share that transcription with. Then if you need a copy of your transcript, it is possible. Just click on your transcription, click on the three dots, then click on Export. Now you can choose its file format, whether text, document, or PDF. Then just click Export. And that's it. That's how you use Otter AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.